Welcome to the latest version of Cantemo Portal 3.4, which features a number of workflow improvements and enhancements. Review and approve workflows, as well as having an improved user experience, now support timecode-based commenting. This is designed to help you keep a better track of the comments and the point in the video they relate to. It's easy to add, update, delete, and reply to a comment. The Jobs page has been enhanced, enabling you to filter by multiple states and job types. We have added a new preview frame where you can choose how many entries to show. Bulk actions are now possible on the Jobs page. Select the desired jobs and simply click on the cogwheel. The bulk actions available are Rerun, Abort, and Set Priority. The Jobs page also has a number of other updates, such as displaying the transcoder host, a new progress bar, and the addition of a Run Now button that changes the job priority to immediate. Portal 3.4 gives you more control than ever when it comes to managing metadata. With single-instance metadata fields, you can reuse the same instance of a field with the same value in multiple metadata subgroups. This means that the same field value can be represented in multiple subgroups. This is useful when you have different subgroups for different groups of people in the system, all with different access rights. Support for multiple languages means you can enter the field name and description in one of the supported languages. Select the desired language when entering the text. The text will be displayed in that language for users with that specific language in their configuration. Portal 3.4 also offers some new flexibility in Rules Engine 3. You can temporarily suspend a rule, ready to reactivate when you need it next, and you can also edit the polling interval and the parallel processing on a rule-by-rule basis. Suspending a rule can be useful if rules should only be run during certain events or seasons, or for maintenance purposes. In the updated Portal panel, you can right-click on assets to perform various actions. You can, for instance, open the asset directly in Portal or transfer it to your bin. It is now also possible to search for subclips directly in the panel and import them by right-clicking on one or multiple assets. For more information about how Cantemo Portal can help streamline your workflow, please visit www.cantemo.com.